Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. Even though I am a fully grown adult, I still love a good stuffed animal. And this Bee Rex from Randimals is so much fun.
They really put so much thought and detail into making this stuffy. He is so entertaining with the body of a T-Rex, but the wings and the stripes of a bumblebee. How could you not fall in love with him? He became instant friends with my banana duck, and I love just having it on my lap when I'm working. It helps keep my posture a little bit straighter, and it's just kind of a really fun little guy just to have around. It He just fit in perfectly with my collection of stuffies, and I think he's so perfect.
Whether you are looking for a fun new stuffed animal to gift to a friend of yours, or you just like having really interesting stuffies in your house, this one is so different and cool. I couldn't recommend it more, and that's my point of view.